Hello students, how are you? Myself Shweta Jain, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So today I am back again with chapter 5, Safety First. As we have already discussed the first part of this chapter in which we have studied about safety rules, so now we will discuss about the second part of this chapter. So all of you open your books, chapter 5, page number 42. So before we start, let us discuss the contents of this part. In this part, we will discuss about first aid for minor cuts and wounds, first aid for burns, first aid for insect bites, first aid when someone faints, and you will also learn about first aid box, that what it is and what are the things which are kept in first aid box. So now let us start. So children, open your books, page number 42. Okay, so children, sometimes when you are playing on the playground, if some of your friends fall down and get injured, or if you are cycling with some of your friends and any one of them fall down and get injured, then what will you do? Obviously, you will help him, you will try to help him. And how you will help him? Yes, you can help him by giving him first aid. So, the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival is called first aid. So, have you understood what is first aid? It is the immediate help, जो आप जल्द से जल्द उसकी जिस तरह से help कर सकते हैं, that is called the first aid. Now you can give first aid only if you know how to give first aid. So it is very necessary for everyone to learn to give first aid. And before giving first aid, you should make sure that you should always stay calm and try to make the injured person comfortable. Now, not only this, you should also not crowd around the injured person, because if you gather around him or if you make a crowd around him, he will feel uncomfortable and suffocated. So, you should not crowd around him. Now, again, if you want to give first aid, then you should have some necessary things which are used to give first aid. So for that, there is a first aid box. Now we will discuss about first aid box. So to give first aid, you should have a first aid box. Now it is the box that contains all the things necessary for immediate help to an injured person. First aid box एक कोई भी बॉक्स आप ले सकते हैं and you can make it as first aid box. You can keep several necessary things in it. Now I'll show you the first aid box. You can see here, this is a box and a red plus sign is made over here and first aid is written over here. So this is simply a box which contains the necessary things which are required to give first aid. Now we will see what are those necessary things. Okay, you can see here, this is Dettol. This is an antiseptic solution. You can use Dettol, Savlon or any other antiseptic solution in this. Secondly, this is an antiseptic cream. Beside antiseptic solution like Dettol, you can have any antiseptic cream like Soframycin cream is there, then so many other creams are also there. Any antiseptic cream you can take. Thirdly, you should have a pair of scissors in your first aid box. These pair of scissors are necessary to cut the bandages of the size in which they are required. Then fourth thing is bandages. These are the cotton bandages which are tied around the wound. Then there is another thing which is called as gauze. You can see here, it is a soft piece of cloth. It is a white colored fabric which is used to put on the wound after applying antiseptic on it. Then there should be a piece of cotton wool in your first aid box. Besides this, you can also have a band-aid in your first aid box. So these are some of the basic things which you can have in your first aid box, and if you are having all these things, you can help any of the injured person anywhere if you are having first aid box. So now children, another thing is that like for every disease we need different types of medicines. तो सिमिलरली जैसे हमें अलग अलग बीमारियों के लिए अलग अलग दवाइयों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, सिमिलर वे में इन द सिमिलर मैनर वी नीड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फर्स्ट एड टू बी गिवन इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंट इंजरीज. अलग अलग तरह की इंजरीज में, अलग अलग तरह की चोट लगने में हमें अलग तरह का फर्स्ट एड देना होता है. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस दीज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फर्स्ट एड्स. So let us come to first aid for minor cuts and wounds. So if there are minor cuts and wounds, कभी अगर कोई गिर जाए तो उसको छोटी खरोच आ जाए, छोटा सा wound हो, तो then what you should do? First, always wash your hands. Now why it is necessary to wash your hands? So as to avoid any type of infection. क्योंकि हमारे हाथ गंदे भी हो सकते हैं, उनमें germs भी हो सकते हैं, dirt भी हो सकती है. So if we are applying anything on the wound of an injured person, then we should wash our hands first. Then wash the wound with clean water. Now we should wash the wound with clean water. Why? To remove the dirt. उस पे अगर कोई मिट्टी लगी है, dirt लगी है, तो we should remove it by cleaning it with clean water. Then apply an antiseptic lotion over the wound. Now after washing the wound with clean water, what you should do? You should apply an antiseptic lotion. As I have shown you right now, Dettol, Savlon or any other antiseptic lotion you can use. Then tie a bandage over the wound. After applying the antiseptic lotion, you can tie a bandage over the wound. As you can see in the picture shown here, that this man is tying the bandage over the injury of the child. And in case you are not having bandage, you can use band-aid also, which I have just shown you here. Now we come to next, that is first aid for burns. Now another condition is when someone get burnt. अगर किसी कोई जल जाता है तो if it is a minor burn, अगर वो छोटा मोटा जलता है तो you can give him first aid. But if it is a severe burn, अगर वो severe burn है, then you should call a doctor or you should take him to the doctor. अगर severe burn के केस में you should always take him to the doctor. Now in case of minor burn, what you should do is hold the burnt area under cool running water or apply an ice pack. जो भी burnt area है उसको we should hold it under running water. Otherwise we can apply ice pack. Ice can also be applied over there. Now why we do so? It is to give him relief from the burning sensation. अगर वो जल जाता है तो he feel very burning sensation. So to give relief we apply ice pack or cold water. After that apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt area. Now here on the burnt area we do not apply Dettol or Savlon. Instead we should apply an antiseptic cream like Bernol over the burnt area. So now we come to another case. Now children, there are many insects around us like wasps, bees. So sometimes they may sting on us or sting on anyone. Then what first aid you should give in such case? Now we will discuss that. अगर आपको कोई bee sting कर देती है या कोई wasp sting कर देता है, then place a piece of ice over the affected area. Then what should you do? You should place a piece of ice over there or rub a piece of ice over there. Now what will this ice do? It will lessen the pain on that area. Then after that, apply a paste of baking soda and cream on the affected area. Now after putting up ice, what you have to do? You have to apply the paste of baking soda and cream over there. Now next is first aid when someone faints. Now what is the meaning of faint? Faint means unconscious. So children, if someone becomes unconscious, अगर कोई बेहोश हो जाता है, then what you should do? So in such case, make the person lie down with the head lower than the body. You can see here in this picture that a person is lying down like this, his legs are up and the head is down. Now why we are doing this? This is because so that the blood flow becomes faster towards the brain, because so that blood can reach to the brain with faster rate. Then do not crowd around the fainted person. We should not crowd or gather around the fainted person. Loosen collars or belts of fainted person. Now if he is wearing any collared shirt, then you should open the collar button and you should remove the belt if he is wearing, so that he do not feel suffocated. Then sprinkle cold water over that person's head, and after doing all these, you should sprinkle some cold water over that person's head. So all these are the first aids which are given in case of minor injuries, but if there is any major injury, you should always call the doctor or take the injured person to the doctor. So this was all about the topic for today, and this is the end of the chapter also. I hope you all have understood it well. Let's come to internal questions. So first internal question is, why should we not run in the house? So open page number 40. Now in the second paragraph, under the heading safety at home, the first point of this heading, now you have to underline over here, do not run in the house, you might fall down and get hurt. So underline this, and so the answer to this is we might fall down and get hurt. So you can underline it from here, safety at home, first point, and you can write the question above the paragraph. Okay, now we move to second one. Which type of clothes catch fire easily? Again come to page number 40. Now under the heading safety in the kitchen, last point, underline this point, it is synthetic clothes catch fire easily. So question is, which type of clothes catch fire easily? Answer is synthetic. So mark it over here and write the question above the paragraph. Now we come to third question, from where we should cross the road? So answer is zebra crossing. So come to page number 41. It is under the heading safety on the road. Second point, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. So underline the word zebra crossing and write the question above the paragraph. So this is all about the internal questions. Now copy work. So let's come to the define. So first definition is first aid. The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival is called first aid. Accident. Accident is an unpleasant event that occurs unexpectedly and causes injury. Now answer the following questions. Write any three safety rules that should be followed on the road. So these safety rules are, first of all, walk on the footpath, cross the road at the zebra crossing, and do not walk between the vehicles parked on the road. Okay, then write three safety rules that should be followed at home. Never open the door for strangers. Do not take any medicine on your own. Do not touch electric switches and wires with wet hands, otherwise you can get electric shock. Now, what should be done in case of, first of all, gas leakage. So, gas leakage, do not operate any electric appliance or light the fire. window should be open immediately. Okay, whenever there is gas leakage, we should not operate any electrical appliance because they may catch fire. Okay. Second, burn. So burns, apply cold water or ice pack on the burnt area and then use an antiseptic cream. So cold water or ice pack lower the burning sensation and then we can apply antiseptic cream. Third is insect bite. So insect bite, place an ice pack or pour cold water on the affected area and apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream. So this can be done in case of an insect bite. I hope you all have understood it well. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.